Hi everybody, Greg Davis here at the MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a look at the new Scout 231 XSB. This is their 23-foot bay boat. This one comes very well equipped. It comes with the Minn Kota Terrova, the J&L speaker upgrade, jack plate, power pole. Let me give you a look inside. For a 23-foot bay boat, this one has some great seating with the big lounge in front, offers great storage underneath. Give you a look in the back. It's powered by a Mercury 300 V8 jack plate. Give you a good look at Scout's boarding ladder setup. Really nice, out of the way, but easy to use. Let me hop up here and give you a good look inside. Got the lights on, interior lights. Give you a good look here at the helm, the Garmin Fusion stereo, C-Star hydraulic, trim tabs. There's your jack plate control. Walk through on the gunnels, you can see the great lighting here. Here's a good look at the front. Great storage up here, built-in anchor well, J&L speakers throughout, freshwater washdown on the side. This one has dual live wells on port and starboard side with a fish box in the center. All of those being lit. Fish box in the center lays down, and you have great 3 across seating in the back. Rod holders, drink holders here. There's your power pole 10-foot blade. Has the hard top speakers here. Very nice bay boat. Shallow water fishing machine, but offers great comfort for the family. If you'd like information on this model or any model we carry here at MarineMax, please give us a call at area code 912-897-9881. Thank you.